So you know how there's some things in life that you see someone doing, right? And you think this is quite easy, like riding a bike. This is going to be easy. This is going to be smooth. I mean, how hard can it be? Then you try it out looking like this. Hello players, welcome back. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. So the groove we are going to learn today is Highlife. Okay, first of all, quick question. Which country do you think the Highlife groove originates from? And here's a hint. It's an African country. Leave it in the comments down below. The first two parts of the groove are pretty simple, starting off with the hi-hat. Next, we go to the snare drum with the cross stick pattern. You hit the snare drum normally like this, but if you want to do a cross stick movement, you will do this. So the pattern we would play on the snare drum is this. So you play the first two together. Next comes the difficult part. We're adding the kick. So you would think that the kick pattern would be a continuous quarter note pattern.
Forget about it.
So what we would do is something like this. Pay attention to the second hit. The first hit is easy, but the second hit is a displaced hit. For this, the independence lies between your foot and the hi-hat. So the challenge here is your hi-hat needs to keep playing while your kick is still playing and your snare is still playing. So when we take the pattern on the kick and the snare and the hi-hat, we put everything together. Now, we can do it with music. And the music, you can get it in the store. There's a link in the description down below. Go download it. It's very good. If you enjoyed this, smash the like button, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified each and every time there's a new video. And follow me on Instagram at Jaystiqs on Instagram. Check out this video. This is a video you should definitely watch. Thank you so much for watching. This is your boy Jaystiqs, and stick with it. Stick with it. Peace.